In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open ETrade checking account. We'll walk through the online process step by step so you know exactly what to expect and how to choose the checking option that fits you best. By the end, you'll be comfortable navigating the site, selecting the right account type, and providing the information the application requires. Start by heading to the ETrade website in your browser. If you already have an ETrade login, you can sign in first. If not, you can begin on the public homepage. On the homepage, look for the Open an Account button. It's typically easy to spot near the top of the page. Clicking it takes you to a page where you can choose what kind of account you want to open. From the list of categories, select Bank, then choose Checking Account. Here, you'll see two main choices. Regular checking is the straightforward, everyday option, designed for simple spending and everyday banking. Max rate. Checking is aimed at earning a higher interest rate, often best if you plan to keep a larger balance. The exact annual percentage yield can change over time, so take a moment to review the current details on the page before you proceed. If your priority is simplicity, regular checking is a solid pick. If you value interest and are comfortable with any stated requirements, consider max rate checking. Next, you'll fill in your information. The application will ask for your legal name, your current residential address, your social security number or other tax identification details, and your employment information. Financial institutions request these items to verify your identity and to comply with banking and tax regulations. Enter everything carefully and exactly as it appears on your government records. Use your full legal name rather than nicknames, and make sure your address is complete, including apartment or unit numbers if applicable. For employment, be as accurate as possible. You may be asked for your employer and your role. A few quick tips as you type. Double check for typos in names, dates, and addresses. Small errors can slow down verification. If you've recently moved, ensure the address you provide is the one where you currently receive mail. Keep your tax and employment details handy so you can complete the form in one sitting. That's all there is to it. Once you've chosen the checking type that matches your needs and entered your information accurately, the site will guide you through any on-screen prompts to continue. If you need help at any point, look for support links or chat options on the page. Thanks for watching, and take your time to select the checking account that best supports your everyday banking.